Former presidential candidate for the Liberty and Justice Party, LGP, Lennox Shuman, who entered the witness box before Acting Chief Magistrate McGusty in the Georgetown Magistrates Court, was pressed by defense attorney Nigel Hughes about steps his party took to document and preserve evidence during the contentious 2020 elections. Schuman acknowledged that while the LGP had filed for a recount of Region 4, the largest electoral district, he could not produce a single written complaint, ballot box number, or record of irregularities because all materials had been disposed of. When asked directly whether he had any documented evidence to support claims of irregularities, Schuman conceded that he did not. The former presidential candidate admitted that the decision to destroy the records was made by his party once the recount had ended and a final declaration was made. He confirmed that the disposal of documents took place despite the fact that he had previously given a statement to the police on August 27, 2020, in connection with a criminal investigation into the elections. Earlier in the day, Schuman gave the court a detailed account of what he witnessed at Ashman's building, which served as a tabulation center during the March 2020 elections. He recalled what he described as a commotion involving political operatives and the then Chief Election Officer Keith Lowenfield. He testified that GCOM staffer Enrique Liven assumed control of the tabulation process and began projecting statements of polls on a screen for party agents to observe. According to Schuman, Liven initially displayed the results but after a few minutes began making errors, which prompted protests from several political party representatives present at the center. Schuman further claimed that he later saw Liven exit the main tabulation area with a computer and enter another room. In that room, Schuman alleged Liven was seated with the same laptop, which now had a flash drive inserted. A printer was also in use. Schuman said he confronted Liven and saw a stack of papers being printed that appeared to contain, quote-unquote, pre-populated results for Region 4. He told the court that the incident sparked further questioning by himself and other political representatives as to what Liven was doing with a computer and printer. The proceedings were adjourned until Tuesday, when Schuman is expected to return to the witness box for continued cross-examination. Tiana reporting for the HGPTV News.